Ever felt that investing should be as easy as ordering food online? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into how to effortlessly add money to your Stashaway account. Trust me, it's smoother than you think. Let's be real, investing can feel intimidating. But Stashaway aims to change that by making it simple and accessible. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, this video will guide you through the process step by step. First things first, there are a few key ways to fund your Stashaway account. The most popular options are direct bank transfer. This is like a classic bank transfer, but supercharged. You simply initiate a transfer from your linked bank account to your Stashaway account. It's usually quick and hassle-free. Debit/credit card. Need that instant gratification? Topping up with your card is a breeze. Just be mindful of potential transaction fees. PayNow/FPS. For specific regions, if you're in regions with these instant transfer services, you can fund your account in a flash. It's incredibly convenient and often free. Now, let's walk through how to do this within the Stashaway app or website. Log in, access your Stashaway account through the app or website. Navigate to Deposit. Look for the Deposit or Fund Account button. It's usually prominently displayed. Choose your preferred method. Select the funding method that suits you best: bank transfer, card, or instant transfer. Enter the amount. Key in the amount you wish to invest. Confirm and submit. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. That's it. You've successfully funded your Stashaway account. Now, sit back, relax, and watch your investments grow. Remember, consistent investing is key. Even small, regular contributions can make a big difference over time. Stashaway makes it easy to automate your investments, so you can set it and forget it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.